We guide you through how to add shadows in Capcut. So the first thing you need to do is to open your Capcut and import your video or image. Then tap on the clip you want to edit in the timeline. Next, go to the text or overlay section, depending on what you're working on, and add your text or element. Once it appears, select it and look for the style or effects option, then find shadow. Turn it on and you will see default shadow settings applied instantly. From here, adjust the shadow color to something dark like black or deep gray for a natural look, then control the opacity so it doesn't look too harsh. Next, tweak the blur to make the shadow soft and realistic, and adjust the distance or offset to position it exactly where you want the shadow to fall. You can also slightly adjust angle depending on your design style. For more advanced editing, duplicate the layer and reduce the opacity for a deeper shadow effect. Once satisfied, review your video to check the balance and make sure everything looks clean and readable.